Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. I know what you guys are thinking. No, I did not trade in my Lexus, but I thought it would be really cool to do a walkthrough of the new Lexus IS350. Alright guys, so I did not buy the car. We rented it for a trip, so I thought why not make a video, show you guys all the little features and goodies on the new 2021 IS350. Look at how beautiful this looks. Honestly, my first impression was it's very sleek, a little more spacious like the GS, and all around luxurious. So the first thing I want to talk about is the front end. This front end is so mean. I honestly love the headlights. The headlights are one piece now, so it's a really cool design. The grille is gigantic and it's already blacked out, so you don't have to do it yourself. And these vents right here are so sick. It matches the grille. It kind of sucks that there's no fog lights, but I like this. So this car comes equipped with 19-inch alloy wheels. They redid the design and I really like it. It's like this nice black chrome almost. Honestly, I would buy this just for the wheels and keep the wheels as like stockies so you can go back to them in case your aftermarket wheels break. I really like this design. I can't believe they went up to 19. That's so cool. That just means the car's a lot bigger. Now for one of my most favorite things on this model, they finally redid the mirrors. They look so much more aggressive, and fun fact, these mirrors are now on the new RCs, the new IS, but these originally came from the LC500, and I love this design. If you had like a little wing right here, it would look really cool, but like it's so sleek. I want to put these onto my IS. Another thing I wanted to mention real quick are the fenders. The fenders are a little bit thicker and it looks a little wider, factory rolled. The wheels aren't too sunken in, which I really like. This is also a lot thicker. The rear one sticks out a good amount too. And this is way wider, and they finally changed the design a little bit for the older models. This fender kind of went inward like that, but now it's a little more flush. I like it, and the side skirts are what get me. Damn. Look at that black accent. This looks so aggressive. Good job, Lexus. Now on to everybody's favorite part of the car, the rear end. Totally kidding, because a lot of people really hate this. They added an LED bar, so it's basically kind of like one taillight instead of two, but it's definitely like three pieces, and this rear end is kind of growing on me. I didn't like it at first, but this looks pretty mean, even though it kind of reminds me of like an Avalon or a Prius. But this diffuser right here is the main selling point in my opinion, because this is such an aggressive diffuser. We have three fins right here. It comes gloss black, which is so sick because you don't have to paint it. The only downside is that the mufflers are so far in, it doesn't look as aggressive as it could have been. But honestly, you can just extend this about like 4 inches. It's about right? It'll look so good. I think these reflectors are just there. They don't really turn on or anything. It's cool because the blinker's here, we have the DRL itself, and the reverse light is here. It's super bright. Guys, another thing I didn't know is that it came equipped with this roof spoiler. Oh my god, this is so nice. Gloss black, fits the rear end, it just pokes out a little bit. Just give it that tiny touch of like aggressiveness. Now, let's go to the interior. I'm gonna show you my most favorite thing on the car. You're probably all gonna laugh at me because it's not that significant, but to me, it's one of the coolest things you could possibly ask for, and it is the dome light. Check this out. Look at this. It's touchscreen. That is insanely elegant. Oh my god, look at this. Gotta throw in some house music. Really love that. Another thing that I really like is the steering wheel. It's a little thicker than the previous models. This is really sick. This little trim right here. I've never seen that before. A lot of people are starting to add this onto their carbon fiber steering wheels, but this stock already looks beautiful. They blacked this out, so that's really cool. Now, the cluster, check this out. How dope is that? So all of the new cars come with steering assist and lane assist. I personally don't like it. You can just change it right here. Just hold this down and it is off. Got the new push to start. Look at this interior. Got all your basic functions here. Touch, climate controls, heated seats, heated steering wheel. This screen, absolutely gorgeous. The only thing that sucks is I don't get why they didn't extend this out a little more, but it is touchscreen and it's really nice. Let's push forward a little more. This dash layout is phenomenal. We have touchscreen. We got the knobs for sport mode, eco mode, everything. Cup holders, super nice. decent amount of space in here. And this new clock is fire. What is this, a Rolex? The car is really spacious. I think it's bigger than the previous years because they discontinued the GS. Definitely a little bit roomier than my car. I have a 2015. No complaints. Seats are super comfy. Everything about this car just screams new, elegant, sporty. Now let's show you guys the engine. So we still have the standard 3.5 liter V6, pushes about 306 horsepower. Nothing crazy, they use the same engine, they use the same chassis, same suspension. It's basically the same car as the previous years, but newer. Very similar to my car. Everything's laid out all nicely. Plastics are brand new, that's why they're so clean. Let's get you guys some startup clips and exhaust revs, even though it's a stock exhaust. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. This is the new 2021 IS350. It is a beautiful car. I'm gonna be real with you guys. After driving it and looking at it from every single angle and just being able to enjoy it, I like it. It's a great car. It's not the fastest car, but it's a great daily driver. It's gonna be super reliable. If they're using the same engine after so many years, then it's not gonna break on you. I don't think I would buy it. If you have a lot of money and you're looking to get a Lexus sedan that's sporty and somewhat roomy, this is the car for you, but you can always get the older generations for a way better price and it's gonna be the exact same thing. But can we take a minute to appreciate this paint? Oh my God, so nice. Now, you guys have to see this thing rolling. It looks beautiful. This car is pretty quick. This thing is sick. It's a really comfy ride. I like it. I drove it on the freeway and it was really good. All in all, I think the 2021 Lexus IS350 is a great car, super beautiful, pretty quick, not the fastest ever, but that's why you buy Lexus, for reliability and not to be the fastest on the road. If you can afford this car, get it. It is a huge flex because it's so expensive for what it is, but I like it. These are my thoughts on the car. Definitely stands out. I mean, let's us all pray that Lexus pulls through and makes an IS 500 with the same body, but with like a V8 or a V6 twin turbo, and we'll all be happy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Would I buy this car? I don't think I would, but for all of you guys that did buy it, good luck with it. Mod the hell out of it and enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We're gonna be making a lot more videos. Maybe I'll get this car someday. Maybe one of my family members might get it someday, and maybe I'll do stuff to it. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later. This car is so clean you can eat off it.